Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM dual standby, nano SIM. Colors various. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU 1.6 GHz octa-core. Chipset Exynos 7885. GPU ARM Mali G71. Display technology Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.5 inches. Resolution 720 by 1280 pixels, ~267 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB. Camera main 12MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, panorama, phase detection, HDR, video. Front 8MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB microSD. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.265 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/flat player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3600 mAh. Talk time up to 24 hours. Music play up to 91 hours.